Hello students, today I am going to be solve some problems on Rutherford's method. Okay, just one problem just here I mentioned. Okay. Is the board is clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can note down the problem that the kinetic energy of the alpha particle in Rutherford alpha scattering is 8.02 MeV, million electron volts. Calculate the closest distance of approach to the gold nucleus and then calculate the impact parameter producing an angle of theta, okay, less than or equal to 90 degree. Less than or equal to 90 degree. So I have to find the closest distance of approach. As you know that in the case of alpha scattering, okay, when alpha particle is projected towards the nucleus, it reaches some point and it gets scattered. Somewhere is the position of the nucleus. Okay, suppose this is the position of the nucleus, and this point you can consider it H. When it reaches the position H, that is the closest distance approach, the distance is equal to S of the collective. Okay, when it reaches point H, that is the closest distance of approach point. At the point H, kinetic energy of the alpha particle, kinetic energy of the alpha particle, mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, kinetic energy of the alpha particle, okay, is equal to its differential energy. ಅದನ್ನು equate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will get the closest distance of approach. Then how to find that S value? What are the given? That is kinetic energy of the alpha particle is given. Kinetic note ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿದು kinetic energy of alpha particle. Kinetic energy of the alpha particle E, when you consider that is equal to half mv squared also. Half mv squared. That is equal to 8.02. 8.02. 8.02 MeV and theta. How you can convert into joules? Then hey, joules convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay.
Divide by energy and
So 8.02 plus million means 10 to the power of 6. Okay. Into electron volt to joules ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. Minus 19 joules. Okay. So 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. So ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I want the calculation part.
the 12.832.
12.832 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 8.02 into 1.6. 12. Yes, please reply. 12. ಹೇಳಿ. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Tell me that value. 8.02 into 1.6.
12.832.
832. Okay. into 10 to the power of
10
6 minus
minus
90.
13.
Okay, that is 13 no?
13. Yes, sir.
Joules.
Minus.
That is the kinetic energy of the alpha particle. At closest,
Sir, minus 13.
at the closest distance of approach, let you can call it as S is the S be the closest distance of approach. S be the closest distance of approach. Okay, as this S is the closest distance of approach. Okay, then potential energy at that point, potential energy of the alpha particle is equal to kinetic energy. Okay, what is the kinetic energy? Potential energy of the due to the nucleus that the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 Q1 Q2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ Q1 ZD Q2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ charge of the alpha particle ZD into what is the charge of the alpha particle? It is a 2e. Charge of the alpha particle is 2e. Gold nucleus charge is ZD. ZD into 2e. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2z e square by yes distance is equal to 12.832 into 10 to the power of 13 into 10 to the power of 13. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್? ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ
Sir, minus 13.
minus 13 very good. Minus 13 yeah. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ to where I wrote I think it is visible to you. Okay, then you have to find out the S from it. Has all of you noted this problem note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು I have to rub it out upper portion. Okay, so when you consider that calculation, okay, but calculation for 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 2 into Z. What is the Z value for the gold nucleus? It is 79. So 79 into E, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 the whole square divided by S is equal to 12.832 into 10 to the power of minus 13. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 13. Okay, are you clear? So from this find the S value. S is equal to means 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 2 into 79 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 the whole square, whole thing divided by 12.832 into 10 to the power of minus 13. Then what is the value that you have to find? Other value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. Okay. Are you clear with that? Anybody can give the calculation part of it? 9 into 2 into 79 outcome rank. 1.6 and the whole square means 2.56 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That divided by 12.832 outcome rank. Total into 10 power how much will get? Minus 19. That is a minus 38. Minus 38 plus 9. Minus 38 plus 9.
Minus
20. Minus 29.
29.
Minus 29. Minus 29. 13. Plus 13 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So therefore, how much will get that?
Minus
29 minus
16,
13. It is
minus 16.
okay, minus
Minus
16.
Minus 20.
Minus
yes, sir.
16 alva.
16.
Yeah.
16, sir.
Now tell me anybody the value of this. Please do it calculator.
283.690.
9 into 2 into others to calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
283.690, sir.
3640.32, sir.
3640.32 into 10 to the power of minus 16.
32, sir.
36
Sir, 32.32, sir.
point
Sir,
36
36
yeah
40.32.
no 0.32 okay into 10 to the power of minus 16. Do that calculation. Okay, the calculation ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. So what is the value you will get?
Sir,
So there is a
total
final
answer is
value.
280.
Okay, there is a final value. ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ decimal ನ shift ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Suppose if I put 3.64 into 10 to the power of how many decimals are shifted? 3 decimals. Okay, that is a minus 13 meters.
Sir, ಅದು divided by 12.832
divided by
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು sir,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಅದು
ನೀವು.
ಆ value ಬಂದು
ಅದೇ final ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But that was what I asked to know. The final value only have to tell.
283. Sir, 283.69.
283. Okay, ಸಾಕು 283 ಇರ್ತೇನಾ? Okay, into 10 to the power of minus 16. That means you can write it as 2.83 into 10 to the power of minus 14 meters. The correct answer. Now it is tallied with our textbook answer. I hope you have followed this. This is very important problem. If there are problem exam, they will ask commonly this type of problem they will ask. Okay, closest distance of approach. Got the value? Sorry, are you followed? Okay. Any problem about this? Any doubt idea?
No, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? That is very important. Not your potential energy is not mgh. This is electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy means we have to consider 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by d square formula name d buried d. That means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 is one charged particle is helium gold nucleus, that is Ze. q2 is the alpha particle charge, that is 2e divided by s. S ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? S is the closest distance of approach. Got it? So like this is a very important problem. Please all should have to be note down it. Note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Everybody has to must and should have to note down that things. Similar type, we have one more problem. Let us see you can do that problem. Okay, shall I clear the board?
Yes, sir.
Respond ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Oh sorry, in the one more part is there, no? You are asked to find out the impact parameter. ಅದೊಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ impact parameter ಒಂದು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then that how to find it out. How to find impact parameter? What is impact parameter? Impact parameter in terms of scattering angle. In terms of scattering angle, what is the formula to be used? We know about impact parameter P is equal to, is the second part of the problem. Now tell me the formula. P is equal to B by 2 into cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. Yes, is it visible? What is the B expression? Where anybody can tell what is the B formula? B formula ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Z square
Yes, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Z square ಹೇಳಿ. by
pi epsilon
naught
m v square
m v square. m ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ
v
ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್.
square
m v square ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, that is a B. Okay, so how to find the B value first? Find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ B value na? How to find the B value?
First we have to calculate the V value.
Okay,
We can
how to find the B value? Z ಅಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. You know the E value. Pi is constant. Epsilon naught value you can take. What about mv square? Kinetic energy ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. What is the E value you have? Kinetic energy value is 12.832 into 10 to the power of minus 13. This you can write it as half mv square, no? Half mv square is equal to, okay, half mv square is equal to E ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ mv square is equal to 2E ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? So that why that is mv square by 4 pi epsilon naught mv square ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ you can write 2E. You can write 2E. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So then now you have to find out that value. That is the Z. What is the value of the Z? Gold nucleus ಅಲ್ವಾ 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole square divided by 5 value is 3.14 into epsilon naught. How to find the epsilon naught? What is the value of the epsilon naught? See 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Epsilon naught ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 4 pi 9 into 10 to the power of 9. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೋಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
There is a constant. Now in direct ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ 10 to the power of minus 12 into 2. What is the e value? What is the given e value? 12.832
12.83.
into 10 to the power of minus 13. So this you have to find out. 79 1.6 square means that is a 2.56 into 10 to the power of minus 38 divided by denominator level is to multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 10 to the power of minus 25 no denominator minus 12 minus 13 minus 25 ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 3.14 8.854 take with ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ into 2 into 12.832
713.49.
ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ
713.
713 ಓಕೆ 713 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ
0.49.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಲಿ 0.49 ಇರ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ 713 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ 3.14 8.54 into 2 into 12.1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
Final answer.
Okay
0.2.
Okay now you have to divide ಇದು 79 into 2.56 ಮಾಡಿ divided by 713.49 divided by 17.
0.283.
Huh?
0.2832 into 10 to the power of minus 13.
Minus ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. What about this value?
0.232.
Huh? SAD
0.2834.
0.2834
34.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
10 to the power of how much will get? Minus 38
13.
plus 25 and the 38 minus 25. 13 minus 13. Okay. That is a B value. Okay, by knowing that B value, okay, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಜೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, anyhow, B value is equal to 0.2834 into 10 to the power minus 10. Now you substitute in the P. P and substitute ಮಾಡಿ. P is equal to impact parameter. This is an impact parameter. What is the P? It is an impact parameter. Okay. That impact parameter P is equal to B, that is 0.2834 into 10 to the power of minus 13 divided by 2 into cos theta by 2. That is 90 divided by 2. That is P is equal to 0.2834 into 10 to the power of minus 13 divided by 2 into cot 90 by 2, that is a 45, cot 45. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ cot 45. What is the cot 45?
Sir.
Cot 45. Tan 45 ಇಷ್ಟಮ 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
1.
So reciprocal of cot is also 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
1.
So ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. There is a 0.1617 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ into 10 to the power minus 13. That is an impact parameter. So many meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So many meters. Impact parameter, it should be in terms of meters. 10 to the power of 13. Okay, meters. Impact parameter is a perpendicular distance alva. It is a perpendicular distance. Okay, see the answer. Have you got it? Okay. Shall I go to the next problem? Similar ಇನ್ನೊಂದು type of problem ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. ಒಂದೇ problem ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ. Let us have one more problem. One more problem. Okay. Similar type. Note down the problem. Second problem. An alpha particle of energy. Energy ಅಂದ್ರೆ kinetic energy understood ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Energy 10 MeV moving towards copper nucleus, moving towards copper nucleus, Okay, what is the copper nucleus atomic number? It is 29. Calculate closest distance of approach. Calculate closest distance of approach. Closest distance of approach. Okay. And one more point, that what should be the closest distance of approach? What should be the closest distance of approach if copper nucleus replaced by gold nucleus. What is the gold of atomic number? 79. Okay. So what do you have to find? It's just simple. That is 1/4πε0. I'll mention one. Okay, solution at the closest distance of approach 5 at the closest. Okay, at the closest distance approach point. At the closest distance approach point. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Direct equation ಬರೆದಿದೆ. 1/4πε0 Z2 ZD square divided by S is equal to E. So therefore S is equal to ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ S is equal to means the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. You are 2 Z square divided by that is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 2 into 29. 2 into 29. Okay, 2 into 29 divided by anything E. What is E value given? 10 million electrons there. 10 into 10 to the power of 6. So that E square no 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 the whole square. Okay, divided by E, that is the 10 MeV into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus same number. Previous problem is there, but ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ simple ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು 1.6 cancel. Then remaining ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. 9 into 2 18, 18 into 29, 18 into 29 divided by 10 to the power of 7 ಉಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 ಮೇಲೆ in the denominator 6 minus 19 plus 6 sorry minus 6. Am I correct? Yes, ಹೇಳಿ 6 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 19 minus 6 that is minus
30.
okay ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 10 power 9 ಒಂದಿದೆ 10 power 9 ಈ 10 power 9 minus 9 10 power 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 10 power 10 ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 10 power
Minus 4.
minus 16 ಆಯ್ತು ಟೋಟಲ್. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ
So
ಎಷ್ಟು
minus
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
70.
How much you'll get that finally? Tell me this answer. 18 into 29 into 1.6. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
835.2.
Okay, 835.2 into 10 to the power of minus 16 that you can write 8.352 into 10 to the power of minus 14 meters. Minus 14 meters. Okay?
So divided by 10.
You know? ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸಾರಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 10 ಒಂದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ 1 minute ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 10 ಇದೆ 6 ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ minus 16 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10 ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, let it be minus 15 ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ 10 powers ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್